Let's make a start with the process diagram, which is academic writing task 1. You're going to learn how to write a report if they give you a process diagram. Now, the diagram shows the life cycle of the honey bee. We are clear. What is the diagram about? Life cycle of honey bee. And then you can see we've got eggs hatched after 9 to 10 days, then after 5 days, 7 days, 9 days, young adult emerges. Okay, then we've got 4 days to maturity, then females lay 1 or 2 eggs every 3 days. So it should start from laying the eggs and then you go on and you'll discuss everything. Life cycle takes 34 to 36 days. So life cycle contains 34 to 36 days, and down there they mention nymph molts 3 times as it grows. And then they say nymph is immature form of an insect. And then they say molt. Molt is shed or lose old feathers, hair or skin to allow for new growth. Okay, so now let's see. The first paragraph can be copied, but you need to change the wording. I mean, as they've written, the diagram shows the life cycle of the honeybee. Change this wording, rearrange it, and you can write your first paragraph. So, the diagram illustrates. So, you can use this sentence. Diagram illustrates. And if they give you 2 diagrams, then you can write diagrams illustrate without S. If singular, diagram illustrates the various stages. Now, can you see various stages? In the life of a honey bee, we can see that the complete life cycle lasts between 34 and 36 days. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. It is also noticeable that there are 5 main stages in the development of the honey bee. Can you see those 5 stages? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exactly, main stages. From egg to mature adult insect. So this is your introduction. You can talk about number of stages and all that. This specimen is for very good bench score. So you can copy such type of words from there. The life cycle of the honeybee. Whenever we talk about a process diagram, we start it from the initial stage. So the life cycle of the honeybee begins when the female adult lays an egg. Can you see that there? Females lay 1 or 2 eggs every 3 days. The female typically lays 1 or 2 eggs every 3 days, right? Between 9 and 10 days later, each egg hatches. Now, can you see 9 and 10 days? Yes. Hatch after. So, you change the wording of that. And the immature insect or nymph appears. Can you see that? Right? We've got nymph or immature. They mentioned it already. Okay. Now, there is the next paragraph. During the 3rd stage of the life cycle, the nymph grows in size and sheds its skin 3 times. So can you see that? During the 3rd stage of the life cycle, nymph grows in size from smaller to bigger, sheds its skin 3 times. Shed the skin means it removes the skin. This molting, and for that they use the word molt. It's written there already and it will be given. Molt is shed or lose old feathers. This molding first takes place 5 days after the egg hatches, then 7 days later, and again another 9 days. Can you see that? 5 days, 7 days, and 9 days later. After a total of 30 to 31 days from the start of the cycle, the young adult honey bee emerges from its final molting stage, and in the space of only 4 days, it reaches full maturity. So 4 days to maturity. This is the whole report. And which tense did we use, by the way? Present simple tense. Active voice, passive voice, connecting words, and all that. Okay? So like this, you can find more reports and you can just write on them.